What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Sneaker Huddle. I'm your host, JR Dunlap, and today we're going to be talking about the on-air workshops that Nike conducted to come up with ultimately the 6 best Air Max designs that we will receive this Saturday. We're going to be talking about how you can cop all these sneakers, where you're going to be able to cop them, when they will be available, and most importantly for you resellers out there, we are going to do an estimated resale prediction size by size for all 6 releases. If you haven't, guys, please do smash that subscribe button to stay 100% up to date with all hyped sneaker releases. And with that out of the way, guys, let's get straight into it.
Riding with my folks, hell yeah, boy, we G'd up, feeling like a million, knowing the level you can't reach.
Last year, Nike invited locals in New York City, London, Paris, Seoul, Shanghai, and Tokyo to design their own Nike Air Max inspired by the uniqueness of their own particular city. From these on-air workshops, 18 finalists were chosen based on the creative executions of their particular design, and the public then voted on 6 winners, 1 per city. Now, the first sneaker of the afternoon that we're going to be talking about is the Air Max 97 by Jasmine Lizotte of London. Retail has been set for $200 US and based her design on London's romantic summers, including her very first date with her now girlfriend. The colors in the sneaker are set to symbolize their personal first date, where they had a sunset, drinks, got stuff at the corner shop, price tags. Overall, the shoe is set for good vibes and love. Now, when it comes to reselling this sneaker, there is not enough demand that this will be resellable, but it definitely is a very good looking Air Max 97, so feel free to pick these up for a retail point of $200. Now, moving on to the very next sneaker, which is the Air VAPORMAX Plus by Lou Mathuron of Paris. Retail has been set for $240 US. Now, Mathuron, a photographer, chose the Air VAPORMAX Plus and was inspired by the works in progress nature construction in Paris. She said that there's so many wonderful buildings and places in my city which are always moving and evolving. She says, also, I wanted to make the shoe fun and playful. That's why you can switch the swoosh up, or you can wear the strap or not, like a shoe under construction. Now, when it comes to reselling this sneaker, there is not a ton of demand. It also does have a high retail point of $240, which is pretty conventional for an Air VAPORMAX Plus due to high cost of manufacturing, etc. Moving away from the business side and design part of the sneaker, feel free to pick this beautiful collaboration up for retail. The next sneaker for the afternoon is the Air Max 98 by Gabrielle Serrano, which is of New York City. Retail has been set for $200 US. And getting into the design details about this sneaker, Serrano chose the Air Max 98 and called it MEZCLA, which is Spanish for mixture. She said that I knew that I wanted the shoe to highlight the diversity of my community. She also says that the concept, my design, is about the people who make New York City what it is. Though colors and materials that represent different skin complexions, the Statue of Liberty and concrete jungle, and water surrounding the beautiful New York City. Now, when it comes to resale, this sneaker will not be resellable, but this is by far one of my personal favorites in the entire pack, so feel free to pick up this beautiful Air Max 98 for retail. And the next sneaker that we're going to be talking about this afternoon is the Air Max 1 Tokyo by Yuta Takuman. Takuman chose the Air Max 1 and based his decision on Tokyo's maze-like as well as the iconic Tokyo Tower. He was born in Kagoshima City, and Tokyo was the place that he always dreamed to visit. He moved to Tokyo when he was 18 years old, and he was very impressed by the trains. He realized that these tube lines stretched deep underground, which explains the beautiful design of this Air Max 1. When it comes to reselling this Air Max 1 Tokyo, you can expect very small profit 8 and above. There's a lot of demand for this sneaker. This is one of the more likable designs out of the entire pack. There's a lot of demand. A lot of people really want this sneaker, but you can expect very small profit, like I said, 8 and above. The larger the size of the shoe, the better. Needless to say, this is a very risky purchase in terms of resale. The next sneaker of the afternoon is one of the most popular designs in the entire pack, and that is the Air Max 97 Seoul, designed by Guang Shin. Now, Shin chose the Air Max 97 with an oversized swoosh and based his design on Seoul's big neon signs, the contrasting colors of South Korean flag, and the flag's central symbol, which represents universal balance. There are neon signs lit up 24/7 in Seoul. He says the upper is mostly black like nighttime in the city when the neon shines the brightest. Like mentioned previously in the video, this is a very desirable sneaker, one of the more popular sneakers in the entire pack. You can expect small profit 8 and above. And last but not least, the most desirable sneaker in the entire collection by a landslide is the Air Max 97 Shanghai by Cash Ru. Retail has been set for $200 US, and Ru's chose the Air Max 97 that was inspired by the disappearance of clouds over the futuristic city. The inspiration for this beautiful Nike Air Max 97 comes from the interaction between clouds and skyscrapers. He also says that the different shapes that arise through condensation mirror the high-speed development of Shanghai. Now, when it comes to reselling the most desirable sneaker in the entire collection, which is this Air Max 97 Shanghai, for sizes 4 through 7.5, I would project those to resell for around $260 US. So after fees and taxes, you're looking at about $13 profit. So those sizes, needless to say, are pretty safe, I believe, because this is a very desirable sneaker. This is the most popular sneaker in the entire collection. I think $13 profit is about as low as it could possibly get for sizes 4 through 7.5. Now, moving on to the sizes that are going to be the most profitable, which are going to be your average population sizes, which are size 8 through size 11. I would project those to resell for $300 US. So after fees and taxes, once again, you can expect around $50 profit. And as expected, for 11.5 and up, you can expect those to resell on release day and after for around $270 US. So you can expect around $20 profit on the bigger sizes. So guys, that's all the information that I have for you today. If you haven't, please do smash that subscribe button to stay 100% up to date with all hyped sneaker releases. God bless, good luck on this release, and I'll see you guys soon.
Don't you ever get mistaken. We all live life without patience. We ain't got time no more. We can't go outside no more. Don't you ever get mistaken. We all live life without patience. We ain't got time no more. We can't go outside no more.